Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Remember that there is part of life which you are the explanation. Have to love it. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 304, NASDAQ up 73, S&P's up 33. Gold contract down $1.60, traded $1,135 an ounce. Silver up 36 cents at $15.62 an ounce. Silver, folks, got into its first swing point, took it out, going after its second swing point. Both gold and silver want higher price. Platinum up $5, trading at $9.15 an ounce. You got copper up 3 pennies at $2.35 a pound. Light sweet crude up 86 cents at $46.41 a barrel. The oil market, folks, it's the top of its consolidation. Didn't have enough juice. I expect you're going to see oil go down the lower end of the consolidation once again. Bonds, 10-year down 16 ticks, 30 off 1 full point and 16 ticks. Bond market, folks, wants higher price. Friday, what do? Wide price spread, accelerated volume. The 10-year actually went to all-time highs, closed at all-time highs. In fact, it's still at all-time highs. Had the juice behind it, but yet gave up half the price. 30-year did the same thing. When you go to higher highs, have juice behind it, volume behind it, you go right back topside for at least a test. The 10 looks like it's an ABC structure. Well, it is an ABC structure. It's a complex ABC. It took out the B point, took it out with volume. Bottom line is 132. Right now at 128.27. It's yielded, the 10 years yielding 2%. It was 1.9 on Friday. You want a mortgage, folks? Go get it. Because right now, a 30-year, you probably can bang a 30-year out at about 3.1, 3.2, which is pretty cool. King dollar. King dollar up 243 ticks, 96.21. King dollar on Friday came down with volume once again. Today, we came down, had lighter volume, didn't test the swing, rejected lower price. King dollar wants to try to take out its swing point once again. Each and every time, King dollar hasn't been able to get any traction as soon as it gets into the 96.50 area. The swing point, by the way, is up at August 7th at 98. They're all small, minor swings in each one of them. The thing that's a mind blower about King dollar is that each and every one of even the minor swings hasn't been able to make it to the minor swing. Euro down 31 at 111, and the yen is trading at 120.42. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Wonder what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, gotta love it. So, we go up $3.48 today, 121 million shares. You're coming into the downdraft of the 18th, where we had 233. What did we do Friday? Friday, we rejected lower price, had 211 million shares, and you can see the contraction. It's immediate, it's fast, it's furious, all of the above. You know, we'll see whether the market itself can make it to the 199.28. The 199.28 will be the low of the 17th. The 17th is where we traded up to 202.89. That's the counter trend bounce as it was going against the downdraft, the initial downdraft of August 21st. And we can take a look at this. When we came off the highs, folks, at 210 on August 19th, this is what we did. August 19th, you traded at $210 in the SPY. We did volume, and it was real subtle. You're rolling over. You rolled over with 172 million. The following day, you rolled again. You know, we're up to 203. But now watch what happens. You went from 210 to 203, and that's just a roll. You rolled then with 194. Now, the steam start getting going in the market. What do you do the following day? On the 21st, you come down with 346 million shares. That's ICE. That's where that's set up. ICE is set up at 204.11. Of course, August 24th was a monster, down on 507 million. The first counter trend bounce, you got back up with 276 million. That's what we're going into right now. Bottom line, I suspect it's going to fail once again right at that level. Why? Because the contraction is already in place. The Qs, NDX 100. Let's go take a look at the NDX 100. And by the way, it's going to be the NASDAQ, I suspect, that's going to bring this baby down, and in particular the IBB. IBB was really weak out there today and set up an ABC structure on the way down. So, the NDX 100. What do we do out here? You do 32 million shares today. Friday, we did 59 million. You're going into 97 million and 56 million. Bottom line, the NDX 100 more than likely is going to get taken south by the IBB. When we go over to the IBB, what you're going to see is this. It traded to a high today of 323. We're at 313. It got over the highs of Friday, closed underneath them, and you can make the case that it's an ABC structure on the way down. We have a high volume swing low at September 28th, 285. And it's a big one, too. The A point on this is 366, and your B is 85. So you're talking about, what, 66, 76, 81 bucks. If the 81 bucks brings it into the 250 level, it's a big number. Okay, gold. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks. Wide price spread, accelerated volume on Friday. We had out here today, building a bit of cause. We're at 1135. I expect what you're going to see here is that gold's going to run to the 1169, which is the high of the 24th. The larger issue inside the gold market, though, goes like this, and this is what's really cool. When you bring this back, the last leg down in gold started May 18th. May 18th, gold's trading at 1234. Straight line move down into 1073. When we came off the lows of August 7th, August 11th, and August 12th, that was your first signs of strength in the gold market. Gold went from 1082 up to 1160. Had it all. Then proved it had it all on the retracement because it retraced with lighter volume. Went topside again, had it all, pulled back with lighter volume again, and now you're going with wide price spread again. What that sets up is that on the 11th and the 12th of August, gold had actually broken its downtrend, that downtrend being from the 1234, and that's where I expect you're going to go. The XAU, the HUI, bottom line, both moved with price, with volume, all of the above. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. Dow Industrials closed up 304. NASDAQ up 73. S&P's up 32. We're going to be right back, folks.